Hi, my name is Kirup. I'm from the Melbourne Tibetan community.
Hi, my name is Sonam Chudin and I'm from the ACT Tibetan community.
My name is Kumpo. I'm from New South Wales.
Hi, my name is Pema and from Sydney, Australia. So the reason why I'm joining Lobby Day is because I've never been part of the Lobby Day before, and I think this is a really great opportunity for me to learn about the political side of Tibet.
I wanted to participate in the Lobby Day because I believe it's our responsibility as a Tibetan Australian to speak out for the Tibetans in Tibet who cannot speak out for the injustice that's happening.
I'm a proud Australian Tibetan. Being an Australian, I have the privilege to go and speak directly to our politicians.
I deeply care about human rights in Tibet. By taking this opportunity, I hope to advocate for their rights and their freedom.
As being a Tibetan, I think we all hold the responsibility to understand the struggles we face politically and try to make a change.
As a personal thing, I wanted to gain more knowledge about the political side of the Tibetan injustice that's happening.
And being a Tibetan, I have the responsibility to represent my community and to advocate for them, especially for those inside Tibet.
We're hoping that our Australian leaders listen to us.
I feel like I'm very much responsible to take any opportunity as a way to give back to my community and all the Tibetans struggling in Tibet for basic human rights. What I hope to walk away from this Lobby Day is with greater understanding and try to create a change hopefully in the future.